Meet the JBL Live Beam 4. True wireless earbuds with powerful JBL sound, adaptive noise canceling, and a smart charging case with touchscreen. Let's get you set up. Inside the box, you'll find the smart charging case, the JBL Live Beam 4 earbuds, ear tips in multiple sizes, and the quick start guide. Before you start listening, you need to activate the smart charging case and connect the earbuds via Bluetooth. To activate the smart charging case, press and hold the button on the back of the case for 2 seconds, or plug the case into an outlet for 2 seconds. Don't forget to remove the protective film from the earbuds before putting them back in the case. The blue LED lights on both earbuds should be flashing, which means they're ready to pair. Now open the Bluetooth settings on your device and select JBL Live Beam 4. Once connected, you're ready to start listening. And with the IP55 Water and Dust Resistance rating, your earbuds are ready for everyday adventures. Controlling your music is simple with the touch sensors on the earbuds. Tap once to play or pause. Tap twice to skip a track. Tap 3 times to go back. The smart charging case also gives you quick access to key functions. Press the case button or swipe on the touchscreen to wake it up. From here, you can control the volume level and access all key settings directly from the case. If you ever need to reset your earbuds, take them out of the charging case, tap the earbud twice, and then tap and hold for 5 seconds. You can also restart the smart charging case by holding the button on the back for 10 seconds. For even more control, scan the QR code in the Quick Start Guide to download the JBL Headphones App. Inside the app, you can customize your listening experience with adaptive noise canceling, adjust ambient sound levels, personalize your sound with Personify, and customize touch controls. Running low on power? Plug a USB-C cable into the charging case or charge it wirelessly. A full charge takes about 2 hours. A fully charged smart case and earbuds gives you up to 48 hours of total playtime. Need power fast? A 10-minute charge gives you up to 4 hours of playtime. You're all set. Enjoy your JBL Live Beam 4 and take your sound everywhere.